Look, guys, they all are the fish collector. Look, so many fish, lot of fish they are collecting, guys. Look, look, so many colorful fish and lot of fish, guys. Look, so mass is this. Look, different types of fish you will get, and this fish will be very tasty for it, guys. Look, till now people are collecting fish. Look, they are already collected fish from this river, guys. Look, what a lot of fish, guys. Look, they all are the Adivasi men and they have lot of experience and they know how to collecting fish with the net. Look, guys, because water is dry up now, guys, that's why they are getting lot of fish, guys. Look, what a crowded people, and at this time the weather is lovely and clear, guys. Look, what a lot of and colorful fish, guys. Look, anyway, guys, thank you till then.